This is the C8 module. We have an example input and output wired for training purposes. The input will come from the relay output of the respective QXEP relay. Speaking to the output configuration, I want to touch on each color jumper and what it's responsible for. So starting with output 1, which is down here on the bottom, red is the fire alarm input. In position 1, the output will invert when the FAI input is active. This is typically used to drop power to a mag lock on a fire alarm condition. Blue, this will invert the input landed on the black terminal block for that output. Position 1 being fail-safe, you're going to want to use this when voltage is removed to unlock the door. Position 2 is fail-secure. Use this when voltage is applied to unlock the door. Black is representative of our wet or dry output selection. The black jumper is represented by two jumpers. On this first input, for example, it's 1C and 1E. Both need to be in the same position for a valid configuration. Position 1 being enabling a dry relay contact output. Position 2 will send voltage output for the bus selection from jumper D, which is yellow. Getting into yellow, this is our voltage bus selection. Position 1 is our B1 bus. Position 2 is our B2 bus. Getting into the white jumper, this is our output invert selection. Position 1 is normally open, so voltage when input is activated. Position 2 is normally closed, voltage when input is deactivated. This is typically used for mag locks. Our output LED has a few different status indications. On steady is for when a door is locked. Flashing is when a door is unlocked. Off would indicate a blown fuse or protection circuit is open. Green is configured for the 12-volt output, and blue is for the 24-volt output. Just a quick explanation on the other connections that you see here are B1, B2, BR bus wiring. This is wiring that will daisy chain off the C8 to other modules in the enclosure. The BR connector is the DC common bus. B2 is the 12-volt rail coming from the B100 on the dual voltage systems. B1 is the 24-volt rail coming from the FPO 150 on the dual voltage systems. This module will also have a flex IO wiring that's daisy chained from this board and out to the next one downstream.